So Sāvé Farm began almost 55 years back. So we have been getting guests, mainly farmers, students in agriculture, who have been visiting us, and we're trying to study how we are farming over here in this belt. As we went ahead, we slowly opened up for regular tourists as well, seeing that they also have the same kind of interest. They want to learn about farming. Most of the people who come can easily go through the farm and see whatever we are building over here. We have rainwater harvesting plant where we store almost 3 crore liters of water.
So we started using drip irrigation since almost 1988. We are producing our own fertilizers, own manures by using the earthworm. So we don't throw any organic matter out of our farm. We conduct a guided tour for the tourist, and then having some activity or hand-on experience, like plucking fruits. Our staff, they demonstrate the barley painting. We have Adivasi type of hut over here. So that's how this is tourism and farming. They are going hand in hand.